Can you really turn $100 into $10,000? Or is that just another internet dream? Let's be real. Turning $100 into $10,000 won't happen overnight. This isn't about luck. It's not gambling. And it's definitely not one of those fake, get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. This is about mindset, strategy, and execution. And in this video, I'm going to break down realistic, proven ways to turn a small amount of money into serious income, even if you're starting from zero. These aren't just theories. These are actual practical methods that have worked for people. By the end, you'll understand the exact steps, the mindset shifts, and the money hacks that can put you on a real path to wealth, using just $100 and a plan. This is Success Handshake, where we break money down and help you build it up. If you're tired of waiting for a miracle and ready to start moving smart, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. Before we talk about how to turn $100 into $10,000, let's talk about why most people never even try. And the answer is simple. They don't see $100 as capital. They see it as spending money, not as an opportunity to grow. Think about it. What's the first thing most people do when they get $100? They spend it. They buy food, new clothes, or some random gadget they don't even need. But here's the truth. $100 is not small if you treat it like a seed. And a seed, when planted, watered, and given time, doesn't stay small. It grows into something massive. So if you ever want to build wealth, the first shift you need to make is this. Stop asking, what can I buy with $100? Start asking, how can I flip this $100 into more? Tip: write down 3 different ways you could use $100 to make more money. This forces you to shift from a consumer mindset to a creator mindset. The mindset shift is simple. Stop spending. Start multiplying. Once you lock this in, opportunities start opening up. Let's start with the most classic way to make money. Buy low, sell high. This is how countless successful entrepreneurs got started. It's simple and it works. Here's how it plays out. You go to thrift stores, clearance racks, Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, or liquidation websites. You look for undervalued products. Electronics, sneakers, books, vintage items, phone accessories, or collectibles. You buy them at a deep discount and then resell them on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Gigi, OLX, Poshmark, or Instagram. Now let's say you buy 5 items at $20 each. That's $100 spent. You resell each for $50s. That's $250 in revenue. Your profit? $150. Now imagine repeating this process 5 times. That's $1,000. Keep reinvesting and doing this consistently. $10,000 is possible within a year. It's not complicated. It just takes patience, effort, and strategy. Now let's talk about something even more scalable: skills. What if you used that $100 to learn a skill that could make you money for life? There are so many high-income skills you can master: graphic design, copywriting, video editing, website creation, using tools like WordPress or Wix, social media management, SEO, email marketing, or even ChatGPT prompt engineering, which is actually a real thing now. You can buy an online course from platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. And if you're completely broke, YouTube has free content to get you started. Let's say you use that $100 to master Canva and start designing flyers, logos, and social media content. Then, you start offering services at $20 per design on Fiverr or Upwork. Get 5 clients a week? That's $100 per week, which is $400 per month. As you level up, you raise your prices, build your brand, and create a digital portfolio. Eventually, your $100 investment becomes a $10,000 skill. That's long-term smart money. Here's where it gets really powerful: passive income. Use your $100 to create or resell digital products like ebooks, templates for resumes or budgeting spreadsheets, stock photos, Notion dashboards, Canva templates, or printables for teachers, moms, and students. And you don't even need a website. You can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or Shopify. Now, let's say you use $50 for Canva Pro and $50 for Etsy listing fees and mockups. You create a digital planner, upload it, and promote it on Pinterest or TikTok. You price it at $10 per sale. If 1,000 people buy it, that's $10,000 in digital revenue. Now, let's get real for a second. Maybe you're thinking, but I don't have money, but I don't have connections, but I don't have resources. Guess what? You don't need all of that. Because if you have time, energy, and Wi-Fi, then you're already rich in potential. Think about it. There are people making thousands of dollars just reviewing products on TikTok. People making full-time incomes selling templates they created once. People flipping free items into real money. The only difference? They started. No warehouse, no shipping, no inventory. Just smart creation and smart marketing. Now let's get real for a second. The question is, will you use that $100 to start microservices? Most people think you need a huge investment to start a business, but that's not true. Today, there are microservices, small, high-demand tasks that people in businesses pay for every single day. And the best part? You don't need years of experience. You just need to know how to deliver results. Think about it. Companies, entrepreneurs, and content creators constantly need quick, affordable services done fast. And with just $100, you can start offering things like resume writing, LinkedIn profile optimization, short-form video editing, voiceovers, Instagram caption writing, AI content polishing, simple TikTok faceless narration, or ChatGPT-based content writing. Now, how do you make this work? First, you need proof that you can deliver. But don't worry, this doesn't mean landing a client right away. Use part of your $100 to create a portfolio. It doesn't even have to be real client work. Mock work is fine. Just show what you can do. If you're into video editing, take a random video online and improve it. If it's resume writing, create a few sample resumes for different professions. The goal is to have something potential clients can see. Then you need to get your name out there. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups where people are looking for these services. But don't just create a profile and hope for the best. Be proactive. Reach out to people who might need your skills. Offer 3 tasks for $25 or starter deals just to build your first few reviews. Why? Because in the freelance world, trust is everything. If people see that others have worked with you and had a good experience, they'll be more likely to hire you. And here's where it gets interesting. Once you build trust, you can start scaling. At first, you might charge $20 per gig, but as you gain experience, raise your prices. Soon you could be making $100 per gig, then $250. Then you land a long-term client who pays you monthly. That's how you turn effort into income. But maybe you want something with even bigger potential. What if you could take that $100 and create something that pays you for years to come? This is where content creation comes in. Yes, with just $100, you can start building an online presence that eventually makes money while you sleep. How? Use the money wisely. Buy a basic mic or tripod if you're making video content. Invest in Canva Pro or CapCut Pro for better designs and editing. Get a domain name to build a personal brand website. Or, if you want to grow fast, use $50 to run a small ad to boost your page views or traffic. Then start creating. Launch a faceless YouTube channel. Start a TikTok page focused on finance, productivity, or motivation. Build an email newsletter with platforms like Beehive or Substack. Or start a podcast using free tools like Anchor. The beauty of content creation is that once you gain an audience, there are multiple ways to monetize. Affiliate links, where you promote products and earn a commission. Sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their product. Digital product sales, like ebooks or templates. YouTube monetization, once you hit the requirements. Email marketing, where you can sell premium content or courses. And here's the reality. It might take 3 months, 6 months, even 12 months to grow. But $100 today can build a $10,000 per month brand if you stick with it. This is exactly what Success Handshake is all about, turning ideas into income. Now let me be real with you. You don't need $1 million idea. You just need one good idea, backed with discipline and execution. That's it. Here's the formula. Start small. Stay consistent. Reinvest profits. Learn from every mistake. Focus on one stream, master it, then scale. Because the biggest mistake? Jumping from hustle to hustle, hoping for instant success. Instead, pick one strategy that fits your strengths. Stick with it. Build momentum. Stay patient. And now you know, turning $100 into $10,000 isn't a fantasy, it isn't a dream. It's a process. It won't happen overnight. But it will happen if you stop treating $100 like pocket change and start treating it like seed capital. So now, the real question, what strategy are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I would love to read every one of them. And hey, if this video gave you value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their life. This is your Success Handshake. Now go take that $100 and start something powerful.